This one follows a high school girl caught in heavy rain who takes shelter at a quiet bus stop. A middle-aged man arrives shortly after, also soaked, and they begin chatting casually about everyday life. What starts as a simple conversation quickly shifts as his built-up frustrations from home surface, leading to an unexpected, overwhelming, and intense situation that leaves her completely shaken. The mix of sudden tension, vulnerability, and emotional pressure creates a gripping and dramatic atmosphere. What do you think happens next? Drop your thoughts below and hit that like if you're hooked.